regularly. Exams motivate the students and stay focused regularly in their studies.
So nowadays people are getting placement not on their marks but based on their skills. Even
Hannah, as she said, the skills are important. We agree with that. But how can a student know that he is skilled in this aspect? He is skilled in that aspect. For that, he should write some other test, no? Like, there's a cricket match running. For example, I'm saying, there's a cricket match running. A bowler is bowling. Imagine he's a debut bowler. He's a first match uncon. How will he know that, yes, he can bowl a good bouncer. He can bowl a good yorker. How can he know? If he puts a test on, no? Yes, if he puts a yorker to a batsman or if he bowls a bouncer to a batsman, then only he can know that, yes, I'm doing good in the bouncer. Yes, I'm doing good in the yorker part. If he tests himself on, no, he can know that, yes, he's doing it, he's good in this skill, he's good in that. For that, exams and tests are important, I feel.
Exam can cause a lot of stress and anxiety, and students may also learn the question and answers and all the sums in maths, but during the examination they get nervous and they do not perform well in exams.
If we learn the subject thoroughly and if you know what is the subject and what is the topic, you can do easily.
Most of the stereotypical exams, they are conducted in all the aspects, in all the subjects. There might be some places where you are really good at and some places you are really bad at. So that does not mean that everything you can be, you do you are good at. So basically what I'm trying to say is an elephant can't climb a tree, but a fish can't walk on land.
So, do you suggest any other alternative methods other than exams for the student to get better in academics, or any other alternatives?
एग्ज़ाम्स देने से पहले लाइक हम लोग बस पढ़ते हैं, पर एग्ज़ाम से भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एक्सपीरियंस. जो हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, हमारे जो सराउंडिंग में जो लोग होते हैं उनसे जो हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस लेते हैं, जो हम उनसे बात करते हैं, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है रैदर देन गिविंग एग्ज़ाम्स. क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में हम लोग सिर्फ हमारा नॉलेज रख रहे हैं, पर एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ है, वो स्किल्स कहाँ है. सो
Is there any real life example of situations which you saw in real life or in any role model? Anyone can talk.
Have you heard Mark Zuckerberg? Do you know about Mark Zuckerberg? What he had done in medicine? What do you know about Mark Zuckerberg?
You can ask them again.
He is the founder of Facebook, all the online platforms. Okay, whatever you are using, Instagram, all those. He is the founder of those online platforms. Did you get? And he's also a dropout of Harvard University. He didn't study further. Understand? So here you can conclude whether marks is important or skills are more important.
If I become an education minister for a period of time of, if it's a 1 day or 1 minute, the first change I would like to bring is not only teaching the student about the subject like maths, physics, chemistry, etc. But also, and keeping exams and that subject also, but I also want to bring a new subject called general knowledge and speaking skills and social activities. Like now, like we are debating here about a topic, skills. In the schools and the college, they should teach about the life skills, and they should also keep a bit exams, like not only to write on paper pen writing exams, but also to interact with other people. Means how much they improved in those skills.
if I were an education minister, I would reduce the portion. Like there are many things which we are not using in the day-to-day life, but also we need to study it. But it is not at all useful. So we might modify the portion into something which is also useful in the day-to-day life where they can learn. At the same time, also it is easy to understand and know that it might help the student to get good marks.
Some students, they fail in studies, but they do not fail in life. That is the most important. And then the teacher's son is also in his same class, and then with the teacher's son, he is the most topper. Like he always gets score full marks, all full marks, everything. And then he is respected by everyone. Like he's getting all the respect, while two students who are not getting full marks and the failure is like he's not that much important. Who is he? He's not like that much important to talk like that, and he does not disrespect. After some period of time, the failed student, he will again be successful in his life, while that the topper, he is only concentrator of studying, and that's no skills. Without skills, he is nothing but a failure.
సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి సేమ్ స్కిల్ ఉండదు. సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్ తీసుకొచ్చి మ్యాథ్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ చేయమంటే చేయలేడు, 100 కొట్టమంటేనే కొడతాడు. అలా అని చెప్పి ఆల్బర్ట్ ఐన్స్టైన్ తీసుకొచ్చి క్రికెట్ ఆడిస్తా అంటే ఆడలేడు. ఎవ్రీవన్ cannot do the same thing. Everyone is expert in some or the other thing. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు మ్యాథ్స్ లో నువ్వు టాపర్ అయిపోవచ్చు, నీ ఫ్రెండ్ నీకంటే బెటర్ గా సైన్స్ చేస్తాడు, నువ్వు చేయండి. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ హ్యాస్ వన్ వీక్నెస్ అండ్ వన్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. సో ఒక స్కిల్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు స్పోర్ట్స్ లో మంచిగా పర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తుండొచ్చు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దే మైట్ బి బ్యాడ్ అట్ దాన్ని పెట్టుకొని ఎగ్జామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసి స్కిల్స్ ని ఒక స్టూడెంట్ పొటెన్షియల్ ని ఎగ్జామ్ మార్క్స్ తో డిఫైన్ చేయడం కరెక్ట్ కాదు అని మీన్స్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు సే బై హార్ట్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్, బై హార్ట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్. If you by heart it, then if exams will come, you will get stressed. I didn't prepare well and all. If you understand the whole subject or concept, then why to get stressed? Whatever they ask the question, you will be able to answer. For anything, if you want to do job or if you want to do a own startup business or anything, skills are very important. Because ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ లో బెటర్ ఉంటారు, ఇంకొక స్టడీస్ లో వీక్ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, వీక్ ఉండడం మన తప్పు కాదు, లైఫ్ లాంగ్ వీక్ ఉండిపోవడమే మన కష్టం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ ఇట్ అండ్ కన్వర్ట్ దట్ వీక్నెస్ టు స్ట్రెంగ్త్. అప్పుడు మనం ఆపేటోడు ఎవరు? నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ ఆర్ బెటరింగ్ సంథింగ్, ఇది నీకు ఎలివేట్ అయిందనుకో, యూ విల్ బి ద టాప్. సో దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ పీపుల్ టు పాయింట్ అట్ యూ అండ్ టెల్ దట్ యు ఆర్ వీక్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్. మనం ఆ ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వకూడదు. ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఇస్, we will be definitely successful.